Dr. Tegbe, one of the partners at Night Lite Pediatrics. We understand that emergencies happen and seeking urgent care is not planned. Our commitment is to provide professional care when your guests need it most. Often there is no need to visit a hospital emergency room where you would endure long waiting times and higher costs. Night Lite Pediatrics can provide convenient medical attention during the hours kids need it the most. With pediatric and adolescent-specific emergency expertise and state-of-the-art resources, every child receives world-class care from our highly trained physicians and staff. Night Lite Pediatrics can treat common illnesses and injuries from colds and flus to sprains and strains for our patients. We can also provide x-rays, splinting, and lab services to assist in treating a child's injury or illness. If a child does need to go to the hospital, our staff can assist with direct admission, and our hospitalist and intensivist team can continue to care for the child once they arrive. We have several Central Florida locations to conveniently serve the community every day of the year, including holidays. As a partner, you can be confident your guests will be treated with 5-star service so that they can happily return to enjoying their vacation at your resort. It will be a privilege and an honor to partner and to serve you.
Hello, I'm Whitney, a physician's assistant here at Night Lite Pediatrics. At our urgent care centers, we offer a wide range of services, so there's no delay in diagnosing and treating your child. Your family can save time and money by coming to our facilities rather than going to the emergency room. We specialize in providing care for any acute illness or injury your child may face. Our electronic medical records allows your provider access to the most up-to-date health history of your child, regardless of the location of your visit. If your child does need to go to the hospital, our staff can assist with direct admission, and our hospitalist and intensivist team can continue care once they've arrived. For your convenience, we have several locations in the Central Florida area. We are honored to serve you at Night Lite Pediatrics.
I prefer going to Night Lite rather than an ER because you're just a number in the ER and you're waiting forever, and nothing is urgent unless you're in by ambulance. So if you walk in, you're just going to be waiting for quite a while, and I've never had to wait at Night Lite, and they've always been very prompt and professional, and I would go there over ER any day.
Both of my boys have seen Dr. Tegbe, Dr. Shiremi, Dr. Desai ever since they were little. We have had great experiences with Dr. Patel, and you know, they have a comfort level with them regardless of what happens. I mean, we've had different procedures from you know, shots to you know, asthma treatments, and they're always very caring and very compassionate when they're dealing with my children. They don't just talk to me, they actually talk to my children, and that makes a difference, and so they feel a little bit more comfortable, and they you know, so they can relate well with the kids.
I have had a number of experiences with the Night Lite crew. They are right there for respiratory children that I have. I've had many children that have had to come in and had IVs on the spot, and they are in connection with the hospital. They always have a doctor on call should we need to go straight over to the hospital. My children are expected there. We have no wait. We can go right in. Everything's set up for you. These doctors look for anything. When I bring a child in and I really don't know what is causing this, they get a head-to-toe exam. These guys are specialists. They're intensive care specialists, and they check everything.
We just recently moved back to the downtown Orlando area, and in the middle of getting unpacked and settled and all that stuff, the last thing we needed was for this one to get sick in the middle of the night. But we were very relieved that there was a Night Lite Pediatrics right near the house. And they were fast, they were friendly, and it certainly didn't cost us a trip to the ER what that would cost. So it's the only place we'll ever take our son in the middle of the night if he gets sick again.
Dr. Tegbe and I, with Dr.O and Dr. Desai and Surimi, the three of them, I don't know what I would have done without them. They were exceptional care for my son.